Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Maitana. As we have completed lesson number 1 to 8 and grammar lesson number 1 till half yearly, this coming lesson number 1 to 8 and grammar lesson number 1 revision. Now we do the revision of the lesson number 2, Kulasya Acharaha, the family tradition. In this lesson, as you know, right from ancient time in Sanskrit, the fables literature have been popular in Sanskrit literature. Higher importance of it, whether it is Jatak tales or Panchtantra or the Hitopdesh. In every book, animals are the character through which different tales have been imaginatively written. Imaginary, not real. Fable are created even today. One such fable is presented here. As you know, it exists today only also, and it is very important. A bird called the chatak drinks only rainwater. The bird chatak, that tradition they have, that they drink only the rainwater. This is a tradition of chatak race. Every child born into the Chatak family follows this tradition till today. Each and every child who follow this tradition today. Once when a child of the Jatak family is so troubled by thirst that not heeding the advice of his mother, he gets ready to break this tradition. By chance, he hears the conversation between a poor farmer and his son. Inspired by the conversation that he hears between the poor farmer and his son, and he goes back to his mother without drinking water of the lake. That means it also follows the custom of his race. And from this story, we will be inspired to follow the age-old tradition and customs in order to make our lives better. Though animals are made the object, ultimately the advice is given for a man. In addition to this, you also have to learn the work forms, the cases that have been used here. You realize, you know that it is very important for us to learn it and do it. From this story, as you know, we realize, we understand this, and we should keep in mind that we must have followed the particular tradition so that we will live happily, and we realize the main thing or most of the important points in mind. As you know, this particular point that we have to keep in mind so that we understand the story in proper way. And as you know, the bird also the follow the family tradition, then what to say about us? That is why we must think about it sincerely, seriously, and we have to follow this particular tradition in a proper way, in a right way, so that we realize. Now see the story that you keep in mind. Now see the MCQ. Meaning also prepare properly, meaning also will come. Trusya pidit shishu kasya samipam gatti. Trusya pidit shishu, the young ones who is very thirsty, where does he go? Where does he go? Jananya to the mother, Jalasya to the water, Nidasya to the nest, and Gaganasya to the sky. As you know, The young one of the Chatak become thirsty, then it goes to its mother, Jananyaha. A. Megaha Sabdam Paryayakaha. What is the synonyms of the word Megaha? Mega means Jaladaha, sea, rain. Sarve Kim Rakshitayam. All, where or in what way all are protection. Then protected, then Tadagaha, in lake, Kulacharaha, family traditions, Megaha, rain or Shishuhu means a child. Then Sarve Kim Rakshitayam, everything is protected in Kulachar, family tradition. So answer B, Kulacharaha. Number 4, Ruddhaha Kidasat Asita. In what way? Find old people. The old person was on Maranasan, lying on a deathbed. Maranasan. Anta means blind, not there. Vipala, not any problems, and Swastha, not. He is fit but Maranasan, lying on a bed. Shishuha kasya pratiksham karoti. Who waiting for the Sishuhu, the young ones of the Chatak waiting for Megasya, rain, water, that is Vasya coming. Megai means for, Megam means to rain, Megan means by rain. So Megasya, the young ones is waiting for rain. 6. Punrapi Shabdasa Uchit Shabda Vishedam Darsiyata. The particular words we have to separate. See. Then Puna plus Rapi, Puno plus Api, Punaha plus Api, Punaha plus Api. Pun Rapi, see Ra is not there. When two dots are there, Punaha plus Api, when you write together, then you have to write Punrapi. So, if you see, then you realize that it is very important for us to understand and prepare. Now see number 7. What's Kulasya Acharam Rakshitum Tom Na Samyaka Acharitam? Etat Vakya Kim Vatti? Who speak these words? What's or beta or child? Kulasya Acharam Rakshitum Tvaya Samyaka Acharitam. You should follow the tradition. Janani, mother speak this. Ruddhaha, old person. Krushak Putraha, farmer's son, or Chatakaha, or Chatak speaks. That person is speaking by Buddhaha, means old person. Telling Kulasya Acharam Rakshitum Tvaya Samyaka Acharitam. You have done good by following tradition. And number 8, Aham Tadagdalam Patum. Aham Tadagdalam Patum. I am going to. Then first person, as I will told, Aham, that means you have to find the word. In which word you have to find last word me. Pronunciation me. See, Isiti, third person singular, see. Second person singular, me, first person singular, and two that present tense. So here me word is there. That means Ichhami. Number C, third one. If you realize, then you can remember it and you can learn it in a proper way. See this particular question answer. Kaha Trishya Pidit Asitaha. Who became thirsty? Chatak Sishu Trishya Pidit Asitaha. Chatak Sishu became thirsty. Chatak Sishu Kimna Patum Ahati. What does he not drink? He does not drink the lake water or other waters. Krushak Putrasya Daridram can Nashtam Bhavishyati. How can the poverty of the farmer's son will be destroyed. Kasak putra daridyam dhan shuten prapten nast bhavishyati. If he accepts this bag full of money, then naturally his poverty will be over. Kusak putren marge kim praptam. What did farmer's son get on the way? Kusak putren margem dhan shuta praptam. The farmer's son got a bag full of money on the way. Sisho trusha ken nasta. How can the child's thirst satisfied? Sishoho nupa make jalen nasta is satisfied by the rain water. So in this way we must realize or we must think it in a proper way. Clear? Bringing this end of this lessons. Next time in next lecture we will see the revision of lesson number 3. Okay, see you, bye.
Thank you.